Robocom.in is a trusted electronic components online store, where you will find thousands of electronic components. You will get high quality products at cheapest prices. Your parcel is delivered within 2 to 4 days. They also offer a 7-day return policy, and the process of returning the product is also easy. They also provide you with top-notch customer support and 24/7 WhatsApp chat support. Here you can easily search any product. Shipping charge is only 49 rupees. Your courier is dispatched the same day. The description and specifications of the product are well mentioned. They also provide you the option of free delivery. They use trusted payment gateways to ensure that our payment details are safe. I always purchase products from Robocom store, and it is a trusted website. You can also buy electronic components from here at cheap rates.